Hey kiddos, you want to make yourself a dancing stuffed animal? Well, here's how you do it. I couldn't do it in my last video. I didn't have enough hands and I kind of needed a little dancing music. So it's very, very easy. You need some thread, if you have thread, or you can use yarn, or you can use a piece of string off something that's fallen apart, maybe an old towel in the kitchen. And what you do is you take your llama, or maybe you have a bunny or an elephant or a kangaroo, and you turn it so its feet are up. It's going to have a little llama surgery, this one. Alright? You're going to take thread. You're going to pull a piece about as long as your arm. So you're going to pinch it with your thumb and finger, and you're going to pull the string about as long as your arm, and then have Mom clip you off a piece about that long. Alright? Then it's very easy. You lay the thread across its leg so you can get it evenly in the middle, and you take and you loop the string around one leg, and then pull it over and loop it around the other leg. Okay, it's been looped around the two front legs. Can't even see it really once it stands up, so nobody knows. It's almost like magic that it is dancing. Now all we need is a little llama dancing music. Do we know somebody who might be able to do some llama dancing music? All right, very good. Here we go. Woo! Out of control llama. Woo! Make yourself a dancing llama or elephant.